This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by authorizing Mee6 on your server so it can act. This is required for automation. Once done, pick the server from the Mee6 dashboard and approve the permissions that it requests, because without manage roles and send messages, it won't function. Make sure to enable essential plugins like moderation and levels right away, since they provide immediate value. Finally, confirm the bot's highest role is above the roles it must manage. Otherwise, role actions will fail. Once the bot is authorized, configure each plugin to match your community's tone and risk tolerance. For moderation, define punishments, soft thresholds, and a log channel so you can audit actions. This prevents accidental bans. Next, tune levels by setting XP gain rates and tier rewards to encourage activity without spam. Then, configure welcome messages and automatic role assignment, deciding whether members get DMs or public welcomes. These settings shape behavior and keep growth sustainable. To finish, add custom commands, periodic timers, and reaction roles to automate routine tasks and keep engagement high. Craft concise responses and cooldowns. Test everything with a moderator account so you can catch errors without disrupting members. Once satisfied, roll changes out gradually and monitor logs. If something goes wrong, such as commands not working, first check the bot's role position, then channel permission overrides, and lastly any conflicting bots. Fixing one of those usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.